Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Word 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set the tabs in our Word document. Setting tabs in a Word document will help us to place or align the text at the required position on a page. For example, we need to prepare a data in a tabular form, but without using a table, we can set the tabs so that it will organize our text to bring a uniform look. Defaultly, tabs in the MS Word are set to every half inch. These tabs are indicated at the bottom of the horizontal ruler by tiny tick marks. If you don't want to use these default tabs, we can create our custom tabs. First of all, we need to make the ruler visible. By default, ruler should be visible at the top of the document. If not, click the View menu, come to Show or Hide section. There, check the ruler box so that it will be displayed at the top of the document. Now let's set the tabs. At the top left corner beside the ruler, we can see the tab selector. Click it and we can use different tab options: left, center, right, decimal, bar, first line indent and hanging indent tabs. Just place the cursor after clicking on a tab selector so that it will show the screen tip. Select the type of the tab you want. Now click anywhere on the bottom edge of the ruler. I'm selecting 1.5 and we will get a tiny symbol. If you need some more space, simply click and drag the symbol. Similarly, set center and right tabs 3.5, 5.5. Notice that the cursor is at the starting of the document. If you press tab, it will come to first tab. Let's enter some text. Again press tab. It will go to next tab. After this, if we hit enter, again it will come to default state. Again press tab and start typing the text. And if you want to remove the tabs, simply click and drag tiny symbols. Notice that only this line has changed because we entered the text as separate or new paragraph section. After this, again come to tab selector. We can use decimal tabs when the numbers are aligned to the left of the decimal, but we cannot use this to align numbers around a different character such as hyphen or an ampersand symbol. Now let's enter some numbers and notice that it will move the text to left side when we are entering the numbers. But if we enter decimal number, it will move the text to right side. Similarly, we have bar tab. Come to tab selector, select the bar tab. With this, text is not positioned. Instead, a vertical bar is inserted at the tab position. After that, we have first line indent, which is located at the top of the ruler. This will help us to indent the text in the first line of a paragraph. After this, we have hanging indent, located at the bottom of the ruler. Lets us indent the text in the second line of the paragraph and all the lines thereafter. Like this, we can set the tabs in our Word document. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITBot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.